Wanna know how to reset your account in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you need to keep in mind that you cannot directly reset an account. So what you need to do is you need to simply cancel out the account that you had linked with. So after that is done, you can just simply relink with another new account where you can start freshly. So for that, on the top left side, you can see your profile right here. Just simply select it. And now once you've selected your profile, simply head towards account on the bottom right here. Now once you've headed to account, just simply head towards account center. That should be on the right side right here. Now once you're under account center, under manage account, you can see cancel account. Just simply select cancel account. Now once that is done, a new website or your browser should pop up, where you need to just simply accept conditions, select next, and then select next again. And once that is done, you are given 30 days of retrieval time. So if you don't retrieve until then, you will be provided the deletion of account successfully. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.